Welcome to the world of Claude AI, where technology meets creativity to enhance your digital experience. As you log in, Claude AI greets you with a personalized message, ready to assist you with your tasks. The interface is designed for simplicity and ease of use, ensuring you can navigate effortlessly. Explore the various features available to tailor your experience with Claude AI. Access your account settings to customize your preferences and manage your account efficiently. Claude AI offers powerful capabilities like generating content and assisting with creative tasks. Preview upcoming features and provide feedback to help shape the future of Claude AI. Easily upload files or take screenshots to integrate with your tasks seamlessly. Choose from different communication styles to suit your needs, whether concise or formal. Select from a range of AI models to find the perfect fit for your project requirements. Learn how to create high-quality animated videos using AI tools efficiently. Understand the step-by-step process to produce engaging whiteboard videos with AI. Initiate the creation of a visual flowchart to organize your ideas effectively. Generate a detailed flowchart to visualize the whiteboard animation process clearly. The flowchart provides a comprehensive overview of the animation process, ensuring clarity. Review the AI-powered animation process to optimize your workflow and save time. Explore the complete workflow example to understand the efficiency of AI tools in animation. Gain insights into the AI animation process and how it can revolutionize your video production. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below.